Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Look at this bird shit everywhere. Alright, gloves. Let's start with that. Alright, what we're doing today is the 5004 80i bolt, and we're putting two of these on this door here. Which I don't need to jet, I'm not touching this shit. Alright, so I've got I have my template right here. This is the lock right here. We'll put that bolt in, they've all been rekeyed. Put the bolt in, make sure it goes all the way down. Alright, then we can do that left turn, bolts in, bring it up to its top position, so that's there, so we know how far we're going down on the ground. So I can pretty comfortably say about that high. Alright, so let's put our stickers on, 25mm high. Come on, sticker, come on. Struggling with the sticker. Right. Now 25mm. Out there. Vertically, yeah. Wholly. Yep. It's vertical, it's left to right. I'm happy with that. We've blessed it. Let's do the next one. I'm just eyeballing these off. There. Alright, what I like to do is step back, have a look at how they look. Alright, so I put my stickers on. Because there's this big huge block of plate in the way, I'm just basically making it look symmetrical. So I've lifted off the ground, if you can see that's like a thumb, so I'm quite happy with that. If I put that over there, I can quite easily say that my bolt comes out, and I can see how much my bolt actually sinks in by going like that. See, realistically, we want as much penetration as possible, so I could even go about another 10-15mm lower on this, which I'm going to do. Alright, pilot. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, now we're upsizing. I'm only going to do from this side. Now we go on the inside and do the rest. Right, so let's put our plate on. So the plate goes like this, it's like a horseshoe. And what we do is we come through with these bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, like so. Alright, hexagon to the top. What size is that? I think it's a 10 or... yeah, it's a 10. 10. Alright, this is where all the magic happens. So key in, turn it to 2 o'clock, all the way up, left hook, all the way out, put the lock body over the top of everything, like so. Bolt goes in. Okay. It goes in with the stick on the left, pull it all the way, and then make sure it goes up and down like that. That's a good sound. Let's put in our Allen keys. Put the cap over the Allen keys. Beautiful. Yeah, alright, so the last final step for this is just the bolts. These locks do come with a square plate, but we generally don't put them on. They're a tripping hazard, they can get tangled. Most of the time they're not needed. Right, so key turn to 2 o'clock, bolt down. Don't tap this, only tap that, okay? If you do, you can break that. Okay, the nipple will now mark the ground. And down. The reason I did them so low is so that they've got that amount of distance in the concrete, so it's going to be as strong as possible. These are great locks for strength. Once they're in and they're bolted to the door, they do exactly what they're meant to do. They're available from our lock shop, drlock.com.au. We can key them like to your order, however you want to do it. Alright, I can see my mark. My mark is right there. I'm going to use a small one to start with. I'm going to leave all the crumbs because I'm going to do a second mark. Okay, there's our mark. Alright, so now I'll go through with the big bad boy. Alright, so I find this easier to be straight over the top. Put it on my hole. Okay, so you want a nice tight hole. That's a 16. If you blow out or you go on an angle, you can always use a 20 or a 22 if you have to. Tighter is better. And you also want to allow extra room at the bottom of the hole for all the shit to fall down there. If you don't have a deep enough hole and that hole starts building up, you won't be able to get the bolt to lock. So, yeah, drill a little bit extra. Locked, unlocked. Door can open, door can lock. That's it. That's the ADI bolt 5004 SC, standing for Saturn Chrome. Available from drlock.com.au. Look at our lock shop, look for lockable bolts, and you can buy these and you can bolt them on just about everywhere. Thanks for watching.